big. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's our 4th day na sa China, na 4th day in China but 3rd day dito sa community na to, sa DNA, no, sa probinsya. Parang 1 week ba kami dito or 6 days. 6 days kami dito. So it's our 3rd day. Medyo maulan ang weather forecast today and tomorrow. But ang sarap lang gumising na ito yung iyong makikita pagising. The nature. Mas medyo malamig pa yung panahon dito sa China, guys. Para siyang Baguio feels, ganun. Baguio during the December, January, ganun. Mas maririnig mo yung mga huni ng ibon. Yan, ito yung mga private na rooms dyan. But naka-hostel lang naman kami. Tapos dito sa likod ko dyan, minsan dito yung mga events nangyayari or get together. Si Ari yata nagtatrabaho ulit kasi meron siyang finish na project. So graduating si Ari tsaka si Pablo. Si Pablo natapos niya na yung parang design. Di ba yung course nila is parang environmental design. Medyo related sa architecture. Basta nagkagawa sila ng kung ano-ano. So maaga siya gumising kasi magtatrabaho siya. Si Pablo tutulog pa yata. So ako gumising lang. Magkakape siguro tayo. Ang sarap magkape dito. Sige, titimpla lang ako ng kape. Pwede naman kayo magtimpla ng para mga black coffee ganun, pero bibili kayo ng beans. 3-in-1 na lang ako. Bumili ako ng 3-in-1. Kape tayo dito. Ay, wow. Tapos upo tayo dito. Ang saya. Sige, tara. Let's go.
Not gonna work.
I thought you got distracted. Okay. Whew. Alright.
Okay.
It's a bit Chinese.
Just ni hao and shishi.
Oh, okay.
And hao chi?
Okay. And my foreigner coworker, they always like to sing hula.
What's bula?
That means not spicy.
Not spicy.
Oh, yeah.
Whenever they order, yeah. They,
Chongqing, the food is
Chongqing
very
so
spicy.
spicy.
Yeah.
Mula. Guys, we met a friend here, Patricia.
Hello.
Hi, Patricia.
Hello.
Alright, we should just get lunch with my friend.
good.
Nice to meet you. See you
Okay.
around.
Bye bye.
Okay, guys. We're gonna eat some lunch now. Are you so So guys, pupunta kami sa lunch. Meron daw restaurant na malapit dito, maybe 10 to 15 minute walk. Medyo maano lang, maambon ng life. Slow living. Okay guys, may nakita kami parang local canteen. Ito yung mga pagkain nila. Fish. Ano to? Humba. Humba, kasong taba. Pero yun yung favorite ko. Pumpkin?
steamed pumpkin?
Pumpkin soup?
No, just a regular.
Oh, just oh. Oh wait, is it too much? We can share if you want.
Yeah, I said just we share.
Everything, okay.
Yeah, we share everything. We just pick up whatever you want, right?
Guys, lunchtime.
不拍我一下，打印的不尊重。
Humba. Chicken. Let's go. Yeah, because it's raining, right?
Yeah, it's raining, and they do not told us
Yeah,
what's
yeah.
the plan about today.
If not, we can just stay in the DNA.
Yeah, stay in DNA or maybe to the library.
Oh, yeah, to the library.
we can go.
Maybe we can go to the
after
library.
lunch, yeah,
Yeah.
because it's near here, right?
Yeah, it's near here.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea. I can bring my computers.
Oh, you can work there, right?
Yeah. Only that might be my plan. You guys can just head in there first, then I just go back to pick my umbrella really quick, and then back.
Yeah. I think you can focus more on the library.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just seeing some deers here. Yeah. Like Nara, Kyoto.
Yeah, like Nara.
Like Nara in Japan.
But no temples here.
But no temples. Yeah. So guys, we went to a small lake here. Wow, so beautiful. So I'm with some of my friends in the community. Shirley. Hi. Hi. We also have
Tao
Kun
and
Kun.
Kun.
Tao and Kun Kun. Guys. Paddle boarding, I think. So you're on a gap year, right? Gap year.
Yeah, I mean like
Is it common here in China to have a gap year or
super rare
super rare? Okay. Why did you take a gap year?
because I don't want to go to a college here in China.
Oh yeah, she's planning to go to study in Spain. Yeah. Wow. So how long have you been staying in DNA?
DNA like 1.5 months.
1.5 months.
Other
Oh.
community is like 2 months.
Oh, you stayed in other community too?
Yes.
Wow. So yun guys, nagsa-challenge kami. Si Shirley naman yung next na nandun sa may lake. So meron lang silang dala nung parang, ayan, yung nag-float na, anong tawag, ano nga matawag dyan? Hindi yan paragliding. Basta yun. Ganito lang dito sa community. May mga mag-aaya lang sa inyo. For example, kaninang umaga nag-aaya sila Shirley kung gusto kong sumama. Kasi nakakotse kasi kami. Tapos yung kotse, 4 lang yung capacity. So hindi makakasama si Ari tsaka si Pablo. So nagpunta na lang sila sa library. Baka magkita-kita kami mamayang dinner na lang. So yan, ganun lang may mag-aaya sa'yo sa community. Marami namang nag-i-English. Sama ka lang kung sino yung... Hindi rin sila magkakakilala. Dito lang sila nagkakilala sa ganitong community. Sobrang ganda ng area na to, probinsya feels. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang ginagawa namin araw-araw. Slow living lang talaga. Guys, ang dami pa rin mga tea plantation dito. Itong Anji, itong lugar na to, no? It's really famous for tea. Tapos di ba parang dati, nag-tour kami sa China nung first China ko. Parang sabi ng tour guide namin, yung tea na plants, meron siyang may certain na hindi salinity. Basta parang may certain na nutrients dapat yung lupa, na dapat perfect yung balance ng mga nutrients sa lupa para tumubo yung tea. And I think dito sa Anji nga, yung kanyang lupain dito is perfect talaga siya para sa pagplant ng tea. Kasi hindi ka lang pwede basta-basta magtanim ng tea kahit saan mo gusto. No? Meron siyang dapat perfect na components yung soil para doon. And I think it's really perfect. Kahit saan ka magpunta dito actually, kahit saan ka magpunta, marami ka makikitang tea. Okay guys, tapos na tayo makipag-bonding sa mga ibang friends natin dito sa lake, no. Hindi rin naman ako nakapag-video masyado kasi baka mabasa yung camera sa lake. So sa taas lang ako nag-video. Ngayon punta tayo sa library, pupunta natin sila Ari. Maganda dito maglakad-lakad guys kasi para ka talaga nasa probinsya. So may gate lang itong community. Open lang natin. And then, kailangan na rin natin i-close. Wait lang, lock ko lang. Yan. Tapos meron dito magandang library guys na actually nagpunta kami isang araw, hindi lang ako nakapag-video. Tapos tignan mo yung lalakaran natin. Di ba? Ang ganda ng paligid. Merong simentado dito. So yung mga tea plantation lang sa gilid. Ayan no. So yung mga tao dito nakasalubong ko nga, mga ilang months na sila dito. Yung iba nga nag-years na no. So parang na-in love na sila sa lugar. Nagkaroon na sila ng community. Mga digital nomads. Pero pwede rin naman, kagaya namin, ilang days lang kami dito. Medyo mahirap lang siya hanapin sa online itong community. No? Kasi usually talaga mga Chinese yung pumupunta dyan. I think 99% or 100% puro Chinese. Ako, kaya lang ako nandito kasi si Ari, di ba yung friend ko? Siya yung nakakaalam ng place na to. Pero pwede nyo rin naman i-try guys kung gusto nyo. Kaso nga lang, kasi marami rin nag-i-English. Actually, marami ding nag-i-English na mga tao kasi most of them nga nakapag-aral sa ibang bansa or medyo nakatungtong naman sa higher education or iba nag-aral lang talaga sila nag-English. Yun lang, mahirap lang yung wifi, no? Kasi even nagko-connect ako sa VPN, sobrang bagal talaga niya. But yeah, lakarin lang natin siguro mga 10 to 15 minute walk papunta sa may library. May magandang library dito. Pero imagine, di ba? You will just breathe some fresh air dito. Meron dito mga tanim na nakabalot ng ganyan. I'm not sure lang kung ano siya. May mga nakakasalubong ka naman na yun. Nag-hello naman yung mga makakasalubong sa'yo. Actually guys, contrary to most of my belief before na parang masusungit yung Chinese, actually they're friendly, no? Most of them are. Most of them are actually friendly. And if kakausapin mo sila, actually, kakausapin ka rin nila. Tapos they're always willing to help. Tapos pag nagano ka, smile. Ngayon, di ba, may kasalubok ka lang si Kuya, nag-smile lang ako, mag-smile din siya. Ganun naman. Parang normal. Parang sa Pilipinas din nga, mga okay din naman yung tao, di ba? Friendly din naman yung mga tao. Medyo may communication barrier lang siguro kung hindi sila nag-i-English. Pero, good thing lang itong community na to. Ang dami talagang nag-i-English. Hi guys! What is that for?
What?
What is this for?
I don't know. No idea.
Fence? Okay, see you around. Yan guys, mga taga-community din yan sila. Usually, itong mga yan, yung mga nag-aayos-ayos na mga gamit dyan. Medyo matagal na sila nagstay dito, no? Mga years na. So, minsan tumutulong na sila sa pag-aayos ng mga pader. Minsan kung ano-ano lang inaayos nila. So, maraming mga artists dito. May mga nagpi-painting, musician, ganun. Kung anong gusto mo sa buhay. Kasi siguro makakakuha ka ng inspirasyon. Dahil nga, sa grabe naman yung iyong environment, no? Kung dito ka namumuhay. Tapos may city din naman. Nasaan na? Naligaw na ako. Paano nakakapunta sa library? Dito ba yun? Dito yata. Dito yata yun. So guys, malapit na tayo sa library. Meron ditong, ayun yung mga deers, kanina din ano namin. Meron ditong library na, I think, just, hindi siya for public. If guest ka sa DNA yung tawag yung community na to, bibigyan ka nila ng parang password doon sa library na yun. I think hindi siya for the public, no? So isa siya sa mga perks of being a guest sa DNA. Yan, may mga tambayan lang dito. Minsan may bazaar sila, nagtitinda ng kung ano-ano dito. And guys, if you just walk around this very small village, may mga ganyan sila. Ito, Angie Creative Design Center. Kung meron dito, no parking. So merong special access dito yata sa likod yun, para makapag-library tayo. Ang ganda ng library dito, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Nahabol sila ng mga deer. Pero dito yata para makapasok ka, kailangan mo magbayad ng entrance fee. Tapos sa kabila, ayun yung library. That's the library. Yan yung free na pwede namin pasukan. Ito yung library guys. Oh, I think Harry's there. Oh, they're here. Wow. The brainy, the smart kids are here studying. Guys, this is the library. Daming mga collections of books from the owner. I think baka siya rin yung owner ng DNA, no? So yan, kung gusto mo mag-work, at least ito yung favorite part ko ng library. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Wow. May mga ibang nagtatrabaho din dito. Tapos imagine, pwede ka lang magsaksak ng laptop mo dyan, tapos magtrabaho ka. Tapos ang ganda ng view, guys, tignan mo. Wow, ang ganda yung mga deers, oh. And deer, yan yung park na parang may bayad yata yan. Kaya din siguro maraming nagpupunta sa community na to. Dito sila magtatrabaho or tumitira muna sila ng 1 year. Kasi imagine kung gusto mo lang magtrabaho dito. Sobrang ganda ng view mo. Ang daming saksakan. Tapos may library na tahimik. May mga co-working space naman dun sa community. Pero syempre maraming tao doon kung gusto mo makipag-mingle. Pero kung may mga kailangan kang tapusin na sobrang importante, you go here to the library, focus ka, or magre-review ka. For example, kung ano mang gusto mo gawin sa life, soul searching, no? So siguro yun yung mga reasons kung ba't sila nagmamahal. That's my favorite part. Yun lang, tinuturuan lang talaga ako mag-slow down dito, no? Minsan nga, hindi na rin ako masyado napapuyat kasi or nakakompleto na yung tulog ko kasi kanina nga dapat may yoga, hindi ako nagising. May yoga dapat ng 9, tapos nag-register ako ng 9, kaso nagising ako alas 10 na. 10 na ako nagising, so hindi ko na naabutan yung yoga. Pero if you just wanna slow down, ginawa na rin dito ni Lord, siguro, na mapunta sa schedule ko para mag-slow down. Actually, meron pa kami ditong 3 to 4 days. Pero everyday, like sobrang chill lang nung ginagawa namin. So guys, we're having dinner, tapos they have like a very big, what do you call it? Cooking spot. Ooh! Lulutuin nila sa harap namin. That's a lot of chicken. How many kilos?
Yeah, we ordered a lot of them. Also, hungry.
Yeah, actually very hungry also.
Then these things will make your
Yeah, video better, right? Ooh.
这些都可以的。有忌口吗？
没有这个放吗
Wow. It's like,
This is special.
Chicken
here,
curry.
This one. It's
what
like
is that?
flour with water.
Oh, okay, got it.
I don't know how to say it. Pie?
Yeah, probably pie, yeah. But that's flour, right?
Yeah. 是不是还要再等很长时间
Final product. Is it good?
Good. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Can I use this here? Oh my god, I love it.
I don't know the name of English. Maybe they don't have it. in
Like a
English.
chicken curry.
Not curry. It's not curry. It's
But like a different flavor. But
yeah,
it's
absolutely.
kind of a curry. Oh my god.
Not Curry. Where is Stephen Curry?
Curry.
Crispy, right? Yeah. Dip it. Oh my god, it looks so good. You're good?
I love it. So guys, we're rating this dish because I think this is one of the best dish I've ever tried. How about you? What's your rating, Pablo?
9.7.
Oh, 9.7. This is the first time that Pablo rated something high. It's
That's so
always
good.
it's always 6, 5. How about you, Ari?
And to me, like strong 9.
Strong 9.
5.
Right. Yeah, for me also it's like 9.82.
Really good.
Super good, guys. Morning. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. This is another day here. Pangilang day na ba namin? Day 4. Day 4 here sa community. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Kagabi pala nagano kami dyan. Parang may bonfire kami kagabi, no? So hindi na ako naka-vlog. Nakatulog na pala ako. So it's another day today. Let's go.
Make sure he doesn't flirt with the side pocket where he's standing. That's surprising. The bank to me was surprising.
I agree with you, Jeremy. I think you've got to go for the pot, surely.
Especially because I think if he thought about the bank, if that was the entire intent while he was at the table, I think you just go ahead and fire it, right? You go ahead and pop it in a bit. Very still on that delicate one. No one wants to escape in this match.
Ito yung basketball court, guys. Minsan dyan sila si frisbee or kung may mga sports na ginaganap. Sa mga upuan lang din dito. May parking naman. Yung iba kasi nakakotse sila, oh. Tapos ayun yung mga kung gusto mo nyo para mga ganong kwarto-kwarto. Yung mga iba na mga months sila dito, ganon years. Para nakakwarto sila, ganyan. Para meron ka namang privacy kahit pa paano. Si Ari tinatapos lang niya yung hindi pa siya tapos pero mga sabi niya mga 70 to 80% done na siya sa kanyang final project. Si Pablo kagigising lang din. So ako, dito muna tayo sa labas. In fairness, alas 12 na ba? 12:30 na pero Malamig yung panahon, mga 20 degrees Celsius, guys. Alam mo, ang daming mga low-key na tao lang dito. Di ba kasi parang, alam mo, parang simple lang naman yung pamumuhay dito. Pero kagabi may mga nakilala kami, mga graduate pala ng Oxford, alam mo, Oxford University. May isa naman graduate daw ng Cambridge. Basta yun, basta yung sikat na school. Tapos tinanong ko, anong ginagawa nila dito? Yung iba kasi parang nag-quit muna sila or nag-take a break sila sa kanilang trabaho kasi may ginagawa silang mga passion project. Kasi parang itong place for, hello, hi. So yung iba kasi parang may ginagawa silang mga passion project, no? Tapos ito kasi yung place na parang kung gusto mong makapag-isip, tapos mura lang din, di ba? Mura. Kung gusto mong magtapos ng mga arts, ganun. Yung iba may mga tinatapos sila ng mga kung ano-ano lang sa buhay, gumagawa sila ng mga art crafts, ganun. This is actually hindi lang siya pang digital nomad, pang someone talaga ng pang mga artists din, ganun. Or someone who just wanna take a break from life and ayun, magkaroon ka ng community. Ayan, may mga nagtatrabaho dyan. Ayun, siya yung from Oxford, itong lalaki. Ay, sana ba? Basta yan, yung lalaking nakatayo. Ayun, yan, yung naglalakad na yan. Siya yung from Oxford. Tapos ang galing din nila mag-English. Kaya para sabi ko, parang ang daming magaling mag-English dito. Mas magaling pa yung itong taga-Oxford. Mas magaling pa siya kesa sa akin. Kasi parang sa UK na rin yata siya tumira. So, hindi siya mahirap makipag-communicate dito kasi marami nag-i-English. Pang international. Pero lahat sila, mga Chinese ang kanilang, ano mga tawag doon? Yung parang kanilang pinanggalingan. Kanilang mga heritage. Chinese heritage. Pero yung iba kung saan-saan na silang lugar tumira. Kaya marunong na sila mag-English. Escobar. Let's talk, guys. Let's take a video of
Pablo Escobar.
Guys, we're now here sa CBD.
Oh God. Okay, just
Okay.
let me just park in the.
Yes, we're back dito sa parang town, sa may town. Di ba yung community kasi medyo nasa liblib siya. So dito kami sa town for lunch. Pablo Escobar. Dito ba kami kumain kagabi? Hindi pala. Wow, it's like beef noodle. I think Ari has a, I don't know. Okay, so titingin-tingin lang kami ng mga pwede namin kainin na tinapay. Ito yung recommend nila. Seaweed pork. Maybe you should buy one more.
You know this?
Walnut? Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, that's walnut?
So if you're allergic with that, we just.
I'm not allergic with it. Oh, we can have one.
What else do you want?
9块9 6个啊，
对，
好不好吃
加
啊？
来一盒好吃的，它是酥皮的，而且刚刚好好还是热的。
Oh, it's like
Rice dumplings.
rice dumplings?
Yeah, you wanna have a try today?
里面是绿色的，
Oh, something like that. This are free?
然后一
Yeah,
个
free.
是原味的，一个是龙井的，淡淡的茶香味儿。
Damn.
搞一个好吧？
Oh, sticky rice.
Yeah, it's rice like rice
6个啊，
OK OK，就这样。
I thought it's sweet. So.
That's not sweet salt. 甜盐是这样。
Parang biko pero not sweet.
It's like there's some
Like,
meat inside. Or
yeah. Parang biko na may meat. So guys, ito yung Luckin Coffee. Our daily dose of Luckin Coffee. Actually, kaya kami pumunta sa town. Di ba yung DNA kasi nandun siya sa may, medyo hindi naman liblib, pero dun siya sa hindi siya city proper. So, pumunta kami sa town para mag-lunch. Tapos lagi kami bumibili dito, Luckin Coffee. So, iba-iba yung mga flavor na tinatry ko. Yung number 1 nila is coconut coffee. Try nyo rin. Pero trinay ko yung butter latte. Parang ganun. Ang sarap din ng butter latte. Tapos kahapon nagtry ako orange coffee. Orange americano. Ganun. Coffee na may na may orange. So, masarap siya actually. Tapos mura. Mura and masarap. Let's go. Coconut coffee. What did you get, Ari?
I got matcha.
Matcha?
Matcha.
Oh.
Matcha like something like milk
Like the
tea,
green
but
one, right?
Without coffee. It's
Oh, just matcha. And Pablo got some ice.
the iced coconut.
Ice coconut. Alright. Let's go. I have some desserts. Oh yeah. Oh, what's up? They got scared. Guys, welcome to Kyoto. It's like we're back to Kyoto, right?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa is not.
Yeah, right. Konnichiwa.
It's right. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Watashi
Watashi wa sta.
僕は日本人です。
Oh.
よろしくございます。
Wow, he's really good at Japanese. Pablo's good at Japanese. Yun guys, ang ganda dito ng ano. So guys, may mga babae sila dito. Nasabi ko parang sa Amerika ba to? Yung parang may mga hagdan sa harap. Saan ba yung ganyan mga bahay guys? Kasi parang may mga gate silang ganyan. Di ba? Amerika ba yun o Europe? Yung mga ganyan. Parang nakikita ko sa movie may mga hagdan silang ganyan sa harap ng bahay. Guys, gonna have some snacks. Go, help yourself. Which one do you want to eat first?
Yeah, I recommend you to
This
eat
one?
this first. Yeah.
Pork floss. Seaweed pork floss, guys.
Thanks.
Good Pablo's. Oh, you finished that too.
No, only one is enough.
Cheers. Mmm. Oh.
Good.
What's that? Egg?
Cream?
Oh, cream?
I don't know.
Mmm. Cheers.
What do you think about this? It's good.
Ito. My rating for this is 8.88. What's your rating, Pablo? 6.7. How are you, Ari? 7?
7.5.
7.5. No. These guys have high standards of food. Oh yeah, something like that. Chocolate cupcake or... You never tried it? I think it's a I don't know. Chocolate pudding. I think we call this pudding.
No, it's cake.
Cake?
There's bread in the bottom.
Really? Oh yeah, there's cake at the bottom. Wow. Mmm. It's so sweet though.
Yo, it's smooth.
But I love it.
It's so sweet.
For me, this is 9.12.
9.12?
Yeah.
What is that?
How about you?
Maybe like 6.5.
6.5? How about you?
7.58 or
7? Really?
yeah.
Too sweet.
Yeah, maybe it's like a Filipino taste palette, like we love sweet.
Oh wow, so you can have yourself.
this is 9.12 for me. I love it. Yeah, maybe too sweet, yeah. Yesterday guys, I played with Ari. Now I played with Pablo today. I think Pablo is better, but Ari doesn't want to accept it. So he said, okay, let's see who's better among
I'm
the
better,
two.
you know.
But I think Pablo will win.
Yo. 一下子双杀了。
I told you, Pablo's better. He doesn't want to. Like, come on, you're good in other stuff, Ari. Delete it. Luck. Magja-jogging daw si Ari, kaso 3 PM kasi ang init. Bukas na lang ako sasama. Sabi ko, sama ako bukas pag hindi mainit. Ang init na kasi mag-jogging alas 3. Ang hilig, hindi wala silang pakialam sa araw dito, no? Ang hilig nila sa maaraw. Ako, okay lang naman sa akin mga activities, pero alas 3 ng hapon, mag-jogging. Sabi ko, magigitara na lang tayo dito. Kahit wala naman akong alam sa gitara. Pero nung mga high school ako, yung kuya ko kasi nagigitara. So may gitara kami sa bahay. Minsan tinatry ko lang siya. Self-taught. yung mga ginigitara ko dati nung well, you done me and you better felt it. Try to hit you, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell back through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool don't run out, I'll be giving you my best. Just don't stop me, divine intervention. Reckon it's a good matter to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Push, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and reach for love, 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 love. Counting stars naman guys. Ito mga madadali lang. Madadali lang yung chords itong mga kantang to. A minor. Paano A minor? Ito. A minor, C, G, F. Okay. A minor, C, D, G, F. Okay. Lately I've been losing sleep. Amen ba? Parang wala ako sa tanong. Lately I've been losing sleep. Dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. I've counting down this road. Ko alam. Parang wala sa ano. Lately I've been losing sleep. Dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been praying hard. And I'm counting those counting stars. So yung guys, naglalakad-lakad lang ako. May nakita kong ano ba to? Mga arts, exhibit siguro. Kasi I think po pwede tayong pumasok dyan sa may museum yata dito. Ayan o. Pasukin nga natin yung museum. Let's go. Okay guys, pasok tayo sa loob nitong parang museum yata ito. Oh, a cafe. May coffee shop dito. Pwede kayong bumili. Kasi siguro meron silang mga local product. Ah! Baka ito. Ito yung future project nila dito, no? Gagawin nilang mga vacation houses dito sa neighborhood kasi ang ganda nga naman. Tapos magkakaroon ng may ilog dito. Ayan, no? Okay. Ano yun? Baka ito yung current na itsura niya. Bakit may umuusok-usok dyan? Baka ito yung Angie, no? I'm not sure kung ano siya. Bundok eh. Oh, ito yung library. Kung naalala nyo guys, pumunta tayo ng isang araw sa may library na may maganda. Ito yun eh. Tapos yung park doon. Okay. Yan. Actually, ang tahimik lang ng neighborhood na to. Tapos may mga ganyan lang silang upuan, no? Tatambay tayo doon. Maraming upuan doon. Very quiet neighborhood lang talaga siya kung gusto mo mag soul searching. Kaya maraming artists dito. Siguro yung mga arts nila, dinidisplay nila sa mga ganito, museum, tinitinda-tinda nila. Minsan may mga bazaar dito, pero ngayon wala. Oh. Hindi pa may mga stall dyan. Minsan may mga tinitinda-tinda dyan na kung ano-ano lang. Uy, may aso. Hello. Ganyan lang, upo-upo lang tayo dito. Kasi medyo maaraw sa part na yan. Pahinga muna tayo dito. Ngayon may mga ganda ng mga upuan nila. Sarap ng mga park nila dito. Let's go! So, naglakad-lakad muna ako. Si Ari yata parang nag-jogging siya kaninang tanghali. Di ko alam kung nasan siya. Si Pablo magpapahinga daw muna siya. So tayo, mag-breathe muna. Ang sarap dito. Ang sariwa ng hangin, no? Bagyo. Parang bagyo ba? Parang bagyo. Parang siguro tayo lang yung turista dito. No? Hindi siya pang turista, pang mga lokal lang. Pero may English song in fairness. He's the master chef, guys.
He's a
Welcome to DNA Master Chef. Oh, you're the master chef also? Okay, they're the chef here. What's this?
pie.
Oh wow, thank you.
Delicious.
Ooh, beef pie, guys. Cheers. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I already have a lot.
Oh my god, so good. Thank you so much.
He's a chef. He cook,
Oh, the master chef. Hi, chef. Nagluto sir.
She might be the sous chef and I'm the manager, you know. I'm the lobby boy.
Oh. This is how they do it, guys.
Oh no, it's not very good.
That's
This is very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is one. Guys, they're so kind. They're giving me one for
chef.
free. He's the chef. Thank you, chef.
哦，你呢？你还个好看，这个好看。Okay, he's the chef of the beef pie.
What do you call this dish, chef?
I don't know, beef pie, right?
Beef pie. Okay, beef pie. Okay.
And
Okay. Wow. Oh, it's so hot. Wait.
yes.
Cheers, guys. Beef pie. Mm. Oh no.
Yeah, we can just cook tomorrow if you want. Like
Huh.
maybe 3 of us,
No,
one
let's
person,
buy
but one-
something and then
one
let's
day.
cook it. You know, the pork is like in xiaolong bao or like,
Yeah, I know it.
you know, but without the soup.
Something like that. But
Yeah, right?
It's more like a pie because xiaolongbao is like small.
Yeah,
and-
right.
Yeah.
But the taste is like the pork in the
Yeah,
xiaolong bao.
absolutely.
这个碗还用吗？
But this is beef.
Yeah. Really, it fits you. It fits you well.
好的好的，我在现
You're having a bazaar here, guys, maybe?
做义卖。
I don't know. Guys, ang ganda ng sunset. Oh. Look at the sunset. What's your name?
My name is Taylor.
Taylor. Taylor. Hi. Oh, this is Chef. Chef. This
Yeah,
is Chef.
I'm a chef. I'm a chef at DNA NG.
Hey guys, I'm the DJ of the Roof Garden.
Hey, 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 hey. Crazy. Is that a noodle?
No, not a
Mix up
noodles.
everything.
Yeah. It's good for drinking, whenever you
Yeah,
drink
yeah,
something,
yeah.
you can eat this.
So guys, for dinner, we're just eating
Chinese
here.
barbecue, baby.
Chinese barbecue here at the very local spot.
It's Xue Hua beers.
Plus beer, barbecue, and I don't know what this is.
Yeah, I don't know what is it, but actually, I think you will like it.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go like 红榜酱whatever.
Got different kinds of sausages, vegetables inside.
Mhm.
And this is pork ear.
Pork ear.
Oh, it's not. It's only no, this pork skin.
Skin, okay.
We also ordered skin. This is pork ear.
Oh, that's the ear, okay. I think I've tried that also in the Philippines.
It's
The Chinese
crispy.
version is.
Let me find. Yeah, this is pork ears.
Mhm.
Have a try. It has the crispy bones inside. Yeah, I've tried this before.
But the flavor is different.
There you go. What's up?
So guys, we're trying some insects. Okay, whoever lose will eat first. Go. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay. Rock, paper. He won. Yeah, he won.
Still not the same time, right?
Yeah, but it was one more. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay.
It's ridiculous.
Okay, who will go? Who will go second? Second. Who will eat
He's a
second?
loser.
So he will eat everything?
Now he will eat the one.
Okay.
He will be the first one to eat it, right?
I think it just looks. What's the English for that? It looks
Scared?
scary, yeah, but
Yeah, it looks weird.
weird. But actually, it doesn't taste that bad.
Tried it before?
I think I've tried in Thailand, but not this kind of insect. Okay, I'll go first. I'll just eat one, okay? Oh my god, that's the first one's a big.
Just close that. Oh,
Mm.
What? Good.
Actually, it doesn't taste bad.
Doesn't taste
It's
bad.
crunchy,
Okay. I'll do it.
but the thought of eating it, it's kind of weird. Why? Oh my god.
That tastes good. High protein, right? I like it. It's good.
It's all in the minds, Pablo. It's all in the minds.
没有那么糟糕。Try it, try it. 长这样怎么会不糟糕呢？这 Fuck this shit. 你之前没吃过吗？我从来没吃过这玩意儿。
Just don't think about it. Just
Just
think.
do it.
Yeah, just do it.
Holy fuck. Okay. Yeah.
It doesn't taste bad, right?
It does not taste bad, but Actually, it's his first time to eat this.
Hmm?
It's his
Really?
first time to eat this.
Yeah,
But
I-
to me,
I-
it's a lot of time. So
Okay.
It's okay.
Guys, we're having lunch here with. Hi guys, the locals.
Hi.
Guys, hi guys. Of course, Iris here. So, what are these food, Ari?
You can, chef.
Oh, this. Maybe chef can introduce us.
Pork sausage, Chinese Sichuan sausage,
Mm-hmm.
and
Crocodile.
crocodile.
That's crocodile?
Yeah.
Okay, crocodile.
And this is
Deer.
Deer?
meat.
and
Wow.
shark, and everything
Shark?
is legal in China.
Yeah, everything is legal in China, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, let's try this. My first crocodile meat. Cheers.
哎，这首歌挺好听的，你放书的，你放的。
Mmm. My rating?
Yeah, you're reading? 1 to 10.
8.12. How about you?
三天我感觉他有点日本人的气质了。
It's maybe like 6 or 7.
6,000.
Yeah, 6, 7, 6. You know that, right?
For me, it tastes like a regular meat with just a very distinct, a little distinct flavor, but it's like meat.
壮阳的吗？对，非常壮阳。
Chef cooked all of these food, and he just cooked this for 1.5 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dishes.
It's 8.
有够猎奇的，我还真
Oh, one more. Wow, 8 dishes is 1.5 hour. That's real talent.
头吗？头有。
Wow. Okay guys, it's our final day na dito. No? Hindi ko na na-vlog yung mga ibang araw namin, pero nag-chill lang naman kami dito. So, grabe, ang bilis ng araw na. So, 1 week natin nakasama yung mga Chinese friends natin. 6 days kami dito, pero 1 week in total kasama sa Shanghai. Babalik na ako sa Shanghai guys kasi may trabaho ako. Actually, kaya naman ako nagpunta dito. Yung main na reason is may work talaga ako. Tapos sinabay ko na lang na-meet din yung mga friends ko kasi nga sakto may free time sila. Maghihiwa-hiwalay din kami kasi si Ari pupunta siya sa Guangzhou kasi meron siyang ayusin na document. Si Pablo pupunta siya sa Nanjing. Hindi siya Nanjing Road sa Shanghai. Nanjing na ibang city yun. So maghihiwa-hiwalay kami. Mag-i-extend pa sila ng 1 day dito pero ako kailangan ko nang bumalik sa Shanghai kasi may trabaho ako bukas. Kailangan ko muna ng 1 day na dun baka malate ako bukas, di ba? So uwi na rin tayo and ngayon nakakalungkot. Ang saya, marami tayong nakilala dito. Ang babait nila guys. Yung mga Chinese, tapos marami nag-English, ang dami nag-offer ng pagkain, ang dami nag-offer ng help, gano'n. Tapos syempre yung mga friends ko, si Pablo tsaka si Ari, grabe, sobrang bait talaga and special treatment lagi ako. Parang naramdam ko na lagi may special treatment sa akin. Siguro kasi bisita. So yun lang, nakakasad kasi alis na tayo, but yeah, it's time to say goodbye. Guys, we're leaving.
You're leaving, I'm so sad.
I want you to cry guys. I want with tears. Okay, guys. See you next time.
See you again.
Yeah, good luck guys.
Good luck. Have a nice trip.
Yep,
in
see you.
Shanghai.
Let's go. Bye. Bye guys. Bye.
Goodbye, goodbye.
It was nice meeting you. Thank
Nice to
you.
meet you. Have a great time. Have a
Thank
great
you,
time.
Pablo.
Yeah.
Bye. See you again next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.
谢谢。现在高速是不收费的吧，师傅？啊，高速不收费是吧？
今天应该是不收的吧？
哎，那个是我朋友是个老外，你他不会说中文，到时候
我就是不，我在问那个，我不知道那个上海他那。
So yun guys, that's the end of our vlog for today, no? Balik na muna tayo sa Shanghai. And Yan, nakakalungkot no, nakakalungkot kasi 1 week di kayo magkakasama. Yan ang babait talaga ng mga kaibigan ko ngayon, but hindi naman yun end na. For sure naman magkikita-kita ulit kami, maybe some other time, but maybe magiging busy din sila kasi gagraduate sila, and of course they might be working na, baka magtatrabaho na sila, so mas magiging busy na sila, but yeah, for sure naman magkikita-kita ulit tayo, no? Nakakalungkot, bigla naging malungkot yung end ng vlog, no? Kasi that's it, kailangan magtrabaho, kailangan bumalik muna sa Shanghai, may mga responsibilities din ako at commitments, kailangan ko muna magtrabaho doon. But ayun naman, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin for this vlog, and I'll see you again on